Hey guys, today we are going to smash this frozen Capri Sun with a sledgehammer. Now, it's frozen with water, it's not the actual drink because I don't like to waste anything. Yeah, that's inside of it, so let's smash it in 3, 2, 1. That was a miss. 3, 2, 1. Oh, dead hit. Oh, hey, got some ice and the straw is frozen. Cool. Ah. Bam. Jeez. What the heck? This looks like it's like spoiled milk on the ground right there. That ice. Well, guys, I think that'll be it for this video. I know it's short and all, but hope you enjoyed. Hit that red subscribe button and leave a like. And see you later. Bye.